Now, Dollar Tree has this extra bass premium earphones. This is the first time I'm seeing these, and these are $3 max charge. It says studio quality dynamic bass built-in mic for cores and comfortable secure fit, and these are of course $3. Peace, family. Peace, 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 peace. I hope you guys are having such a glorious day. If not, do understand and get that your day, your life is going to get better once your perception gets better. Honey, I'm ready for today's weather. Okay, I got like 4 shirts on. Chill. Okay, I refuse to be cold. And about 3 pairs of pants on. All right, listen. Message. Stop allowing the world to tell you you're not enough. You are everything already that you need to be. Message, okay? Message. Now listen, we on our way inside the Dollar Tree. All right? Booked for today, the magic of thinking big. I need you to start looking at your life and start seeing and visualizing bigness in your life. Okay? The house, the cars, the relationships, the finances. I need you to stop focusing on scarcity and lack and start focusing on prosperity, because that is truly your birthright. Now, let's go inside. We on our way and seeing what Dollar Tree has for us today, okay? The store manager come in. Honey, he moving slow. All right, let's go. Okay, family, so remember Dollar Tree has these lip gloss with pom-poms and also the mist spray bottle. I said I'm going to get me one of these this week. I should, in fact, get it today, but I'm going to a few other Dollar Trees, and honey, I don't have a bag with me, all right? And then they also have the wooden spears. Okay, this is new. I haven't seen this before. This is $1.25. And then, honey, they also have these candles. Oh, wow. Okay. Smell like apple cinnamon a little. So, this is apple cinnamon. They also have the lavender fills. Okay. All right. And these are $1.25. And this is pretty much their Valentine's Day items. I don't see hardly... Let me see. Let me go around here. All right. So I see they have some socks, some lady knee-high socks over here. Okay. These really, I want to say soft, but they ain't really soft, okay? These are ladies micro velour socks, $1.25. And I am, a ladies knee-high sock type of gal, okay? All right? And these are all $1.25. They also have these little monkeys over here that comes in different colors. These are $1.25 as well. Really cute. Okay, so when I tell you that you want to get into this haul, child. Now, let me tell you something. Okay, some of the items that I had showed you guys, honey, they move their feet definitely to the beat real quick. Okay, because some of these items, I'm going to show you what they do have. Okay, check this out. All right, so when it comes to St. Patty's Day, Dollar Tree, what they have left is the low-cut socks over here. These are $1.25. And then they also have this decor right here. All right, and this is pretty much what they have left, okay? The knee-high socks. These are fancy. I like those. And then the kitchen towels. Chad, would you believe? Let me see. I know they have to have more of the St. Patty's stuff. They have to. Now, I was a little on the edge, okay? Because I was like, I know they didn't sell out all that St. Patty's stuff already. No, child. It was in the next sale. Let me show you the new items. Okay, so first up, this is new. These are new. Okay, these are so cute. Care Bears. Who remember Care Bears? All right, so these socks right here, these are $1.25. Really cute. Then they have the knee-high socks, all right, with the leprechaun. I say the leprechaun, okay? Is this really supposed to be a leprechaun? What is this, supposed to be? They also have these knee-high socks. I like these. This reminds me of my St. Patrick days when I was in grammar school, okay? And then they also have the Irish, the window decorations, Luck of the Irish. I know that's right. And then they also have the felt garland. Now, is this? Yeah, that's St. Patty's. And this is pretty much what they have, all right, for the St. Patty's Day. Everybody say, hey, all right? LED lights, 10. And then they also have these necklaces over here. Shamrock pigs, really, really cute. You get 6 pieces for $1.25. 10 mini bubble tubes for $1.25. Stampers. 10 pieces is $1.25. And these bow ties, they are so cute. They are so styling and profiling, don't you think? And then the necklaces, you get 4 of these for $1.25. Now, this is pretty much all what they have when it comes to St. Patty's Day. They also have these. These are new. The ladies' micro velour socks. All right. These are cute. I like these ones better. Wait, hold on. No, these ones would be better. Okay. Green on top of green. You know, green is my thing, like a chicken wing. Dollar Tree also has these fancy Easter baskets. These are cute. These are $1.25. They come in 2 different colors. They have the pink and also the blue in the back. Okay, so if you are looking for some more garden decor, Dollar Tree definitely has it. This is really nice. I like this. Garland, absolutely beautiful. And this is $1.25. They also have the gnomes over here, which are $1.25 as well. And then more decor that says garden. Really, really nice. Spazzy jazzy. Ooh. You see somebody just put this stuff. You can't make this up, okay? And then they also have the fairy doors. This puts me in a mind of either Harry Potter. For some reason, I'm getting Grimm. Who remember that series, Grimm? Oh my goodness, that was so good. Honey, me and my children, we binge watched that. It's a pretty old series, but honey, it is so good. Grimm. They should make another series with Grimm. All right. They also have this decor right here. These little mushrooms for the garden. Really cute. What a wonderful world. Child, speak it to me. All right. Give it to me. Because it is a wonderful world. All right. Remember, what you focus on, that's what tends to grow. Now, if you thinking everything in your life is on the up and up, honey, that's how everything is going to be. All right. Now, you can think that everything is on the down and down. And honey, next minute you on that ground. Okay. All right. Turn it around. Now, Dollar Tree also have these pollinators over here, Planet. It comes in different ones. Xena, okay, ox eye, sunflower, honey, these are some names. Let me tell you, Cosmos. And then they also have the seed starter pots. These 10 seed starter pots. They also have the herb rocket, okay, for pots, planters, and gardens. And we all know they have, you know, they planters over here. To get a planter for $1.25, I mean, that is mind blown, okay? I really mean it. And then they also have some more planters over here. They also have the rolling plant tray, which is $1.25 as well. 4 packs of these planters. Okay, this is cute. Right, if you want to get your gardening on. If you want to do a test first, honey, maybe you want to get you some of these, okay? All right, so we back to the Easter thing like a chicken wing, okay? So 24-inch stackable egg decor. This is pretty much what it looks like. Honey, they put it out for display so you can see exactly what you're going home with, okay? All right, wood egg beaded garland. They have $3. The wreaths over here, these are so beautiful. I absolutely love these. These are $5. And then, okay, so you guys said, I'm looking for the Sesame Street baskets, okay? Honey, they got them here, all right? They have about, let me see, 7 of these left, all right? And these are $5. And then they also have the Peeps bunny baskets, which are $5. So whichever type of basket you're looking for, honey, Dollar Tree said we're in a place to be. Tumblers, double-sided tumblers, okay, $5. Tablecloth, $3. They also have the 16-inch jumbo eggs, which are $5. I think they're so cute. And then these little bunny funny fluffies, okay? Absolutely love this. Look at him, okay? They so happy. Look at the colors, all right? The happiness. And then they also have the tabletop egg decor over here, which is $3. Bug zapper, we back into gardening, okay? Self-watering planters, they have $5. Forks glazed planters, $5. Short garden cultivators, okay? And hoe, $3. Glass tabletop torch, this is $3 as well. 8 pattern sprinklers, $3. And then the citronella candles, $3. Solar lanterns, $5. These are so beautiful, so cute. All right, so Dollar Tree has the Tide Simply All-in-One, $5. Cascade dishwasher packets, $5. It's $9 in here. The other ones that Dollar Tree had, it was way more for $1.25 only, honey. They said those was a steal deal. They also have the game, which is $5 as well. All right, and this detergent right here, laundry detergent, me personally, I don't really care for this extra, honey. I either like Gain or when I'm feeling fancy, okay, which is pretty much all the time, child, all the time. I like going in with 7th, I think it's called, like it's more so eco-friendly. They also have the Palm Olive dish detergent, 2 packs you get for $5. The Autobahn, $3. The Clean disinfectant fabric and air freshener, really good. And I don't know if y'all been getting these Ziploc bags, okay, the double zipper seals, but these things are a steal deal. You get 168 total bags, 50 snacks, 58 sandwich, 20 freezers, 22 carts, and 18 gallons. Honey, when I tell you that is really a steal deal, like Holyfield, really good. And just in case, if you did not know, oh yes, Dollar Tree is coming out with these big old bags, okay, Meow Mix, Kitten, okay, Little Nibbles, and then they also have the Beefy Classic, okay, makes gravy, makes rich gravy, not just any type of gravy, but Dollar Tree, who is this, who is this for? Is this for the dog or for the cat? Oh, this is for the dog. Okay, honey, it needs to be a picture of the dog on the front. All right, I don't see the dog picture or nothing. I see a train. All right, my love bug. So I told you guys about the Flexi Grip. This is $1.25. I definitely caught one the other day. All right, and let me just say, hey, okay, it is really good. The legs, you can bend them just like a tripod. All right, but honey, I don't want to say half the price because I think it's way more than half the price, okay? Because you getting this for $1.25, and the tripod is, where you gonna get the tripod for $1.25 from? Okay, I'll wait. All right. They also have these 3.5 jack earphones over here for $1.25 if you need the auto cell phone holder. I remember I would be getting these from Walmart when I was on Uber and Lyft, and honey, these would be like what, $3 to $4. You could get these phone holders for $1.25. They also have the USB wall tap. All right, you get one of these for your phone. Because you know, some people, when they come to your house, they always leave their chargers, okay? They leave their charger home, and then they need to use yours, okay? You could buy one of these for their backup. Now, Dollar Tree also has this decor right here. I think this is cute. I don't know, it just gives me like sunflower type vibes, okay? And these are $1.25. And then they also have the natural scents over here, plant-based tea light candles, sandalwood, clementine, and lavender. Honey, I want to say these probably don't smell like too much. Oh wait, they smell a little from what I smell. Let me see. Oh no, they smell a little. You can smell them a little, okay? And you get 8 of these for $1.25. All right, so remember we had seen these about a few months ago, the angled contour brush. I thought these were so cute. Okay, they have the little rhinestones there inside the brush, which just brings the brush out even more. These are $1.25. Really cute. Now, Dollar Tree has like about one of these left, the lip balm set. when these first came out, honey, people was going crazy for them, all right? 3 of these for $1.25. They still have more of the floral lip gloss, vanilla scented, $1.25 as well. All right, so just in case if you guys missed the mini LED makeup mirrors, Dollar Tree, they still have a few left, okay? Well, more than a few. Honey, they have about, 2, 4, 6, about 8 of these left, all right? So they come in pink, this peachy looking color, and then they also have purple. And this has 14 beauty LEDs, vanity stand over here, and then travel friendly safe. I think these are really, really cute, especially if you always applying your makeup like in a car and stuff like that, or if you running late. These are cute to have in your pocketbook or just in your car or whatever. Really cute, $1.25. Now, when we talk about wipes, flushable wipes, okay, not just any type of wipes. I like the flushable wipes, all right? These are really, really good. These are Joe Box's wet wipes with vitamin E and aloe, protects from irritation and itching. Okay, plant-based. You get 3 pre-moisturized wipes, okay, for $1.25. This is a steal deal. They also have still the Global Beauty Care skin line, all right, cleansing daily face wash, balancing toner mist, and then they also have the daily gel face lotion, and these items are $1.25 a piece. Family, make sure you guys comment, like, subscribe. Honey, we on our way to the next Dollar Tree, okay, which I'll see you guys once I get there. In the meantime, in between time, make sure you having a grand time. All right, peace.